Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn about animal names. Lion, monkey, zebra, giraffe, bear, horse, elephant, deer. And hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.